seen an article and I want to let you guys know about Spring and what they're doing and their connection to Ripple and what they got going on. So just a little bit of info about Spring.
It's different, but it's very pretty out here. I believe they're setting up the flag now.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. XRP, the best digital asset, the fastest, most secure, most scalable, most cost efficient, eco-friendly. Send money anywhere in the world instantly. Go ahead and get right into this. What is the connection between Ripple and Spring? Spring is Ripple's initiative to create an open developer platform for money. Ripple builds software for financial institutions to enable frictionless cross-border payments. Spring supports the core technologies that power Ripple's solutions and provides tools, services, and programs to developers. What is the XRP ledger? The XRP ledger is a decentralized cryptographic ledger powered by a network of peer-to-peer servers. The XRP ledger is the home of XRP, a digital asset designed to bridge the many different currencies in use worldwide. Ripple believes XRP can provide a key contribution to its vision for the Internet of Value, a world in which money moves the way information does today. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset native to the XRP ledger. Anyone with a cryptographic key and an internet connection can receive, hold, and send XRP to anyone else. 100 billion units of XRP were created during the inception of the XRP ledger. XRP's creators have developed it to be a very desirable bridge currency that can facilitate trades in any other currency. What can I do with XRP? Right now, you can trade it, store it on these wallets, send it through wallets or CoinMe. Use it to buy things at merchants that accept BitPay. Who created the XRP ledger? The XRP ledger was created in 2012 by David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito. How is the XRP ledger secured? Cryptography is one of the hardest parts of distributed systems, and a mistake can lead to money stolen by malicious actors anywhere in the world. The XRP ledger uses schemes similar to other cryptocurrencies for signing and verifying transactions. The XRP ledger also layers multi-signing functionality, so you can use multi-factor authorization or split keys across multiple people as a backup, and provides new algorithms with a path to migrate the keys you use if a breakthrough in cryptography makes the old algorithms obsolete. How is XRP different than Ethereum and Bitcoin? The XRP ledger's biggest difference from most cryptocurrencies is that it uses a unique consensus algorithm that does not require the time and energy of mining the way Bitcoin, Ethereum, and almost all others such systems do. Instead of proof of work or even proof of stake, the XRP ledger's consensus algorithm uses a system where every participant has an overlapping set of trusted validators, and those trusted validators efficiently agree on which transactions happen in what order. As of early 2018, the amount of electricity the Bitcoin network uses per transaction is more than a family home in the USA uses an entire day, and confirming the transaction takes hours. A single XRP transaction uses negligible amount of electricity and takes 4 or 5 seconds to confirm. Furthermore, each new ledger version in the XRP ledger, the equivalent of a block, contains full current state of all balances, so a server can synchronize with the network in minutes instead of spending hours downloading and reprocessing the full transaction history. In short, XRP is faster, cheaper, more scalable, more energy efficient, and more decentralized in certain respects than BTC and Ethereum. Is the supply of XRP finite? Yes, this is by design. The creators of the XRP ledger created 100 billion XRP at the inception of the ledger. Hyperinflation is one of the leading causes of death for currencies. While the decentralized system of validators provides XRP with some resistance to political factors, The rules of the XRP ledger provide a similar solution to hyperinflation. The total supply of XRP is finite with a mechanism to create more. Without a mechanism to create more, it becomes less likely that XRP could suffer hyperinflation. What is the Interledger? Interledger is an open source protocol suite for sending payments across different ledgers, like routers in the internet connectors, route packets of money across independent payment networks. The open architecture and minimal protocol enable interoperability for any value transfer system. Interledger is not tied to any one company, blockchain, or currency. How does the Interledger work? The power of the internet comes from the fact that it connects everyone. It can do this because it is not a single network or system. The internet is a network of networks or internetwork. Packets of information are sent across independent telecommunication providers using open protocols such as TCP/IP. This makes it easy to communicate with anyone no matter what provider they are connected to. We need the same for money and value. Interledger uses connectors to route payments across different ledgers. Conditional transfers are used to secure multi hop payments so funds cannot be lost or stolen in flight. On top of this security primitive, Interledger provides a packet and address format heavily inspired by the Internet Protocol to instruct connectors where to forward payments. Who created the Interledger? Interledger was invented in 2015 by Stephen Thomas and Evan Schwartz. The white paper and initial implementation were released in October of that year, and the Interledger W3C community group was formed shortly thereafter to carry on the development. Today, the project consists of hundreds of companies and individual contributors with backgrounds ranging from blockchain and tech to finance and government. Who should Why should you care about the Interledger? Payment networks today are siloed and disconnected. Payments are relatively easy within one country if the sender and recipients have accounts on the same network, blockchain, or ledger. Trying to send someone a different trying to send Trying sending to someone in a different system though, and you may be out of luck. Where connections between ledgers do exist, they are manual, slow, or expensive. Interledger is an open suite of protocols for connecting ledgers of all types, from digital wallets and national payment systems to blockchains and beyond. This will make it easy to transact with anyone, no matter where we live or what type of money we use. Sending value will be easy as sending information is today. This is the vision of the Internet of Value. What can I do with the Interledger? You can build payments into your apps or other protocols without tying yourself to a specific currency or payment network. Create accounts on our demo ledgers and start sending interledger payments with client libraries. The Internet of Value. Information moves friction free because the internet is global. It's available to everyone. It's open. Anyone can see it. It's interoperable, easily connects between different networks. It's reliable. It works anytime and anywhere. Counterparty free. No structural dependency or middleman. We believe money can be the same way. Xpring, the open platform for money. Xpring Platform is an open platform for money that provides tools, services, and programs that make it easy for developers to integrate payments into their applications. The Xpring Platform builds an open source core technologies that allow for sending and receiving real-time payments in any currency. XRP, fast and cheap, transfer of value, decentralized, liquid, widely available. ILP, a standard open protocol to simplify payment in any currency and easily bridge through XRP for real time payments. Web monetization, an open standard to allow content creators to easily charge for the consumption of their work. The Xpring platform offers a number of things to developers, tools to make it easier for developers to integrate these core technologies into their applications, services to easily access the network that these core technologies operate, programs to help developers, advocacy and outreach, support investment, and partnership opportunities. The Xpring platform is built for any developer in any industry to leverage. However, we are focused at this stage on a number of primary use cases: investments, wallets and exchanges, content, monetization for creators, gaming, own trade virtual goods with others. History of Xpring. Xpring was launched over a year ago to support the Internet of Value (IOV). Since then, we have focused on partnering with investing in companies that are using decentralized technologies and are aligned with our vision. Through this process, it became clear that there is an opportunity to make core technologies easier to use. Hence, the Xpring platform was born. In many ways, this is an extension of the mission that Ripple has been on for years. While RippleNet is an enterprise solution that allows financial institutions to tap into the power of XRP, the Xpring platform provides similar solution for developers. So that's pretty much Xpring for you guys. If you guys didn't know what Xpring was or what they were doing and how they relate to XRP and Ripple, um, they also just announced Xpring for developers. We launched Xpring a year ago to support Ripple's vision of enabling IOV, the Internet of Value, by supporting the community of developers building with XRP. Through our work with partners, students, and developers, it became clear that while there's a lot of enthusiasm and interest in this space, there's still a high barrier entry when it comes to building with the blockchain and digital assets. To support the growth and development of the XRP ecosystem, we announced the next chapter for Xpring, an open developer platform that is designed to remove the pain of integrating money into apps for the 23 million developers worldwide. Today, we are bringing the platform to life by launching Xpring.io, a site for developers that includes a wallet, new tools, and services. As part of our commitment to building Xpring on open source software, open standards, and open networks, we have contributed several new updates to the Xpring SDK, XRP Ledger, and Interledger. Xpring.io is a developer site that will serve as a hub for developers to access tools, services, documentation that help enable payments in their products and apps. The first piece of major functionality we are launching on Xpring.io is a wallet that makes it easy to manage all the tools that are critical for developers, like those used to generate and manage account credentials, view balances, and monitor transaction history. Wallets are a critical piece of infrastructure for building on blockchain, and we are excited to bring a wallet built specifically for developers. Today, the wallet supports XRP testnet, which is ideal for developers who want to get up and running quickly. The wallet is an important stake and ground for Xpring and the foundation of the functionalities and features that will launch in 2020. The Xpring SDK is a primary tool for developers can use to get started quickly when it comes to integrating money into apps. Our goal with Xpring SDK is to make it easy for developers to add money to their applications, regardless of what platform they're on or what languages they prefer. The Xpring wallet is built using Xpring SDK for its functionality. The SDK supports XRP ledgers, fast confirmation, and settlement finality, allowing developers to know definitely that transactions have been included in the XRP ledger. XRP was the first major digital asset ledger to offer settlement finality, something not available on Bitcoin or Ethereum. This puts blockchain and crypto at a parity with what customers are used to experiencing with traditional finance. The Xpring SDK also welcomes the support of Python, and Go to its suite of programming languages, which already include Java, JavaScript, and Swift. The Python and Go languages binding were built by a community of dedicated third-party developers that have committed to maintaining them as independent open-source software projects. So there you guys have it, XRP and the Xpring platform announcing for developers. So that's all I have for this one, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, wherever you are. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.